Yes, the house, as you can see now, is already 30 years old. I have been retired for a year now, and after driving into the garage every day and going through the basement, I have seen that with so much mold and so much moisture, I have to do something. And then I looked around on the internet and studied the different technologies and saw that there is indeed a difference between the mechanical, biological, and chemical technology. I invited the respective representatives here for an inspection appointment, and ultimately the decision fell on this technology because it is a biological yes. Is a technology derived from nature that logically and understandably incorporates the crystallization of water, and thus from a construction and climate technology perspective provided the best conditions. I was very skeptical at first, I must say, because everyone presented their product in the best light, of course. In the end, I am glad today that I made this decision, because as you can see, the hallway is dry, the wall in the garage is dry, I can attach things again, and it is also visually appealing again.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.